Welcome dear student for the next practical, that is about the isolation of DNA, question answers about the DNA isolation, how to write this. Regarding that question answers, I have already discussed during the practical about the video of isolation of the DNA. Okay, now we'll see how to write this. So first question, where is the DNA found in the cell? So the DNA present in the nucleus, because here inside the nucleus the chromosome is present. Chromosome is made up of what? The DNA, as well as it is present in the chloroplast of the plant cell, as well as it is present in the mitochondria. So in one sentence you can write the DNA found in the nucleus, chloroplast and mitochondria of the cell. Next, what is the role of the detergent in isolation of the DNA? So detergent causes the cell membrane to break down by dissolving the lipids and the protein of the cell. Okay, so here whatever the cell membrane should get dissolved, then only the DNA of the chloroplast and the mitochondria as well as nucleus we can separate. Third question, why salt is added to isolate the DNA? Salt shield the negative phosphates end of the DNA, which allows the DNA to precipitate. So at the end of the experiment we find that the precipitate DNA is there, which is floating on the alcohol. Okay, so that we can observe. Why is the chill condition required during the experiment? The chill condition during the experiment slow down the process of degeneration. Okay, so during the degeneration what the process should be slow, so then only we can get the proper result. Okay, so these are what the question answers are there. So these answers you can write in your practical book. Next is there about the MCQ question. Which of the function is not performed by the DNA? So synthesis of carbohydrate is not performed by the DNA. Rest all three, synthesis of the protein, transmission of the hereditary character as well as replication, this is performed by the DNA. Next, purines of the DNA or the RNA are adenine and the guanine. So these are what the purines are there. Okay, so that is about what? Both the DNA as well as the RNA. Okay, now about the pyrimidines are there. About the DNA pyrimidines, that is the thymine and the cytosine, and for the RNA pyrimidines are there, which are the, instead of thiosin, uracil is there, as well as the next is the cytosine is there. Third, mark the correct statement. So here histones are basic proteins. This is what the correct statement is there. Okay, next, fourth, which of the following nucleotide sequence has 4 pyrimidine bases? So if you observe this all 4, out of this the C1 is there. In that we can observe that the 2 T are there, 2 thymines are there, as well as 2 cytosines are there. So which are what? Which are the nucleotide sequence of the pyrimidine bases. Okay, so this we can write the answer, that is a C1. Fifth one, the nucleoside is a pentose sugar, ribose or deoxyribose plus nitrogen bases. So this is the correct answer. A nucleoside is a pentose sugar, ribose or deoxyribose plus a nitrogen base. So this is about the MCQs of that particular practical. Okay, so based on that also Viva question may be asked. Okay, now we'll see about the next Viva questions. So in the practical exam, the isolation of the DNA, actual practical is there, that is for the 4 marks. Okay, so here what is the perform, based on that the question will be asked, or some of the theoretical questions examiner may ask. So for the half mark, 1 or 2 questions only the examiner is going to ask. Now of this we'll discuss. First one, why we take the banana fruit but not any other fruit? Now here in case of the banana, the lots of the DNAs are present in the cell, so that's why we take the banana. Okay, and other reason is there, here banana is available throughout the year. Okay, banana is a cheaper one, with the help of that we can do the practical. Next, which other fruits we can use in the isolation of the DNA? We can use the strawberry also, we can use the papaya also, we can use the kiwi also. Okay, so in that we can get the DNA easily. Why we match the banana in the experiment? So here we match the banana in the experiment. So because of what? The cell membrane, it will break down the cell membrane of that particular banana cell. So that's why we match the banana. Next, is DNA of a human and the banana is the same? No, it is not exactly same, but 60% of the DNAs are there which are the same like the human being. Okay, in case of human being, whatever the DNAs are there which are similarly whatever the 60% which we observe in case of the DNA also, in case of the banana also. Next, why we filter the mixture? Now here we filter the mixture. Why? To remove the what are the larger cell particles are there. Okay, so that we can get the good result. Next, what is IPA? IPA means what? Isopropyl alcohol. Whatever the alcohol we take, the name of that is a isopropyl alcohol. Next, why DNA float on the alcohol? Now here the first one, alcohol is floated on the water because here the density of the alcohol is less than the water. Next, the DNA which is do not get dissolved in the alcohol, and here again the density of the DNA is less, that's why it float on the the alcohol at the top of the alcohol layer. What are the functions of the DNA? So DNA is what? It is a genetic material. Okay, DNA is a genetic material which passes the genetic information from the parents to the offspring, as well as DNA take part in the process of protein synthesis. How many chromosomes present in the human and in the banana cell? In case of the human being, you already learned that the number of the chromosomes which are 46 numbers, while in case of the banana, number of the chromosomes are there which are 33. What is the difference between nucleotide and nucleoside? So difference between the nucleotide and nucleoside. Nucleoside means what? About the nitrogen bases and the pentose sugar, while the nucleotide which is nitrogen base also, as well as the pentose sugar also, and one of the phosphate group. So this is the difference between the nucleotide and nucleoside. Don't get confused between these two. What are the nitrogen bases present in the DNA and the RNA? In the DNA, adenine, guanine, thymine and the cytosine is present. Okay, while in case of the RNA, the adenine, guanine, cytosine and instead of thymine, uracil is present. What is the difference between the DNA and the RNA? So here DNA is a genetic material of all living cells, while the RNA is there where the genetic material of only some viruses. Okay, DNA deoxyribose nucleic acid and RNA is a ribose nucleic acid. Okay, next is there about the DNA where the thymine is one of the nitrogen base, while in case of the RNA instead of thymine, uracil is present. In the DNA there are no types are there, while in case of the RNA there are 3 types are there: mRNA, rRNA and the tRNA. So these are basic differences are there. What are purines and the pyrimidines? So here purines are which are that the adenine and the guanine are the purines, while the pyrimidines, that is thymine and the cytosine for the DNA, and uracil and the cytosine for the RNA. Okay, so these are what the Viva questions are there, of which any 1 or 2 Viva question will be asked by the examiner, okay, based on this experiment. Okay, if you like my channel, subscribe and share with your friends so that everyone will get the benefit of the same, and watch my video about isolation of DNA during the experiment also. The number of the questions I have already discussed. Okay, thank you.